Hey everybody, I'm Realtor Robert Crow with RE/MAX Alliance here in Northern Colorado.
And I'm Realtor Cody Hain, also with RE/MAX Alliance here in Northern Colorado.
And we are listing 3826 Big Dipper Drive in Observatory Village. Cody, people love this neighborhood in Fort Collins. Tell them why.
So Observatory Village is one of Fort Collins' premier neighborhoods for a number of reasons. It's established, it's been around for 20 some odd years. It's got a wonderful splash park, a wonderful kiddie park, but on top of that, Robert, it's got an observatory, a real life observatory.
I've never seen that anywhere. I mean, that's kind of groundbreaking, right?
It is, very neat.
So not only phenomenal neighborhood, but we've got a phenomenal house here as well. 2-story, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 4,350 square feet. So the main and upper level are finished, of course, and then we have a complete unfinished basement down below. We're starting off in this front room, and so much of this house has been remodeled. What's been done, Cody?
So the sellers put a lot of work into this home to get it ready for sale. As we're coming in here, you see the hardwood floors. They have been refinished. You can check out that beautiful backsplash in the kitchen there, wonderfully redone.
And all new carpets throughout, new exterior paint. We'll see some more shots of that shortly. Love the storage in this kitchen. We just saw that entire bank there of a built-in cabinetry. That's incredible.
You see those beautiful light fixtures throughout, Robert. Those are all brand new.
Yep. All new mirrors as well throughout the home. Love that to me there. That shot there to me is one of my absolute favorites because they completely reimagined that fireplace. You know, they used to have one of those sort of 90s niches where you might put your television. These days, nobody uses those.
I think it had a copper paint job to it.
Yes. That all got filled in. All new tile there on the back of the fireplace and a new mantle. Delightful.
Absolutely delightful. In here, we're in the eat-in kitchen, coming in, back through the living room. And now we're about to walk in to a wonderful feature this home has, a full study office with built-in cabinetry throughout.
I would love this in my home, Cody. I tend to find myself going from bedroom to bedroom to get away from the kids to do work. So to actually have a designated office with all that built-in cabinetry, that's outstanding. And you've got that 2-sided fireplace as well, which is a huge feature.
Keep warm for your winter office work.
Yep. And, you know, if you needed to, you could use that library flex room as a bedroom for the holidays because you've got a 3/4 bathroom there right around the corner. That's super, super handy.
Perfect for guest use while they're here.
Yeah, absolutely. Because in the holidays, Thanksgiving, right, you always need that extra room when people come to stay.
And it's a great feature that it has a shower in it, I think.
I love this next shot here. It shows you all those big, tall windows letting in all that natural light. You've got the painted railing here. They did a phenomenal job updating those railings.
I love the railings of banister and the color of it especially.
They nailed it on the color for sure. You're looking down here over the casual dining area into the casual living area. And then we're going to head into the very spacious primary through the French doors. Big room, this, Cody.
Big room and very bright. Look at all the windows throughout here. It just brings in some wonderful natural light that makes this room feel great.
Yep.
You notice the tray ceiling up above, making it feel spacious. And now we're about to walk in through where we have dual walk-in closets, Robert.
And we call them tray ceilings. Do we call them coffered ceilings as well?
I think so, yes.
Is that a British? Maybe it's a British
It
thing.
might be British. I've heard it. To me, I think tray.
All right. So yeah, the twin closets that you mentioned, some built-in drawers there, very spacious indeed. And then we're going to go through into the primary bathroom and that huge, big soaking tub. It's massive.
It's wonderful. You're going to notice we have brand new mirrors throughout there, brand new light fixtures. We're about to check out the private water closet.
Yep, quick little shot. Well, it was hard to film in there. I couldn't get the camera in there.
It was back in that corner.
It was, I promise you. But you do get a good shot here. These little tight spaces are always hard to film. But walk-in shower here. It's got a bench, Cody, so you can sit on there and shave your legs.
Yep, shave my legs, look at the nice tile.
Sorry, mate.
It's okay.
Come on back through the primary bedroom, and we're going to go explore the 3 additional guest bedrooms. Not before we take another look through that railing. You know, it's great, right? Because there's no solid wall there, so you can yell up, "Hey, everybody, dinner's ready," and nobody's got an excuse not to hear you.
Yep, unless you're being ignored by the children.
Well, yeah, no, my kids never ignore me, ever, Cody.
Not when it comes to food.
Well, fair enough. So first of the guest bedrooms here, there's the closet behind. Just to your right there, that door is one of the 2 furnaces that heat this home. That's phenomenal to have 2 furnaces, 2 AC units as well, so you can zone everything.
Throughout the home. That's one of the 2 additional bathrooms upstairs.
Which is phenomenal because there's another guest bath, but let's say, one bath is being used, somebody can just pop around the corner. That's a great thing to have 2 extra bathrooms on that level.
Absolutely it is. And over here we have a Jack and Jill bathroom for these 2 bedrooms that are up on the top level. There are 3 additional bedrooms up on this top level, which is really rare.
It is rare. It's hard to find. When my wife and I were shopping for our house and we have 3 kids, we wanted all our kids on the same floor, and it was really hard to find a home that did that. So there's that tub and shower combo, considered a full bathroom. Here's that Jack and Jill door.
Robert, I know you love that blanket. Again, another bright room here.
I do love that blanket. I'm a grown man, and I have that on my own bed.
I don't blame you.
Okay, I don't think my wife would allow it. All right, so we went straight from the upper level into the garage. And this, talking of rare things, this is incredibly rare. Those ceilings must be 12 foot tall.
I would think you're right. It can fit a lift in that back corner, I believe. Perfect for the motor enthusiast.
Just sold a house to a gentleman with 4 cars, and that would have been absolutely perfect for it. We got him a 4-car garage. This is the 3-car tandem. But if you'd like to work on vehicles, put that lift in, get up underneath it. All right, straight from the garage, we are out back.
Low maintenance backyard, Robert.
Yeah, super low maintenance, but I do love how the sellers went ahead and expanded the back patio. So it was double the size from when they bought it.
Great for lounging out on this outdoor space.
And I know you love that house color. Tell the world what it is, Cody.
I do. This exterior paint is called raccoon fur, if you're interested.
Fur.
It is beautiful. You have to see it in person.
It really is. They nailed it. So literally just around the corner, we have this huge, big playing field. Low maintenance backyard, but great area to go throw and kick a ball.
My favorite part right here, we're looking at Observatory's splash park.
Your own splash park. It was like 100 degrees the day we filmed this. I could have just run through there like a 10-year-old kid. And then I'd run through there, and then I'd do a cannonball into the pool, which is just across the way as well.
And Robert, we're about to see something really special here. We're about to see the real-life observatory like we mentioned earlier in this video. It is phenomenal.
Trust me, there is no other neighborhood in Fort Collins that has an observatory in it, which makes it one of the next level neighborhoods. There's all the neighborhood news, the movies going on, the bike parade from 4th of July, and you've got your own little library as well. And they made it to look just like the observatory.
Very cute.
Very cool indeed. Kiddie park. And then one last look, Cody.
One last look. We're about to see, again, the favorite part, a beautiful image of the splash park, which you just have to see in person when you come out to visit.
So cool. I love that zoom in. I'm Realtor Robert Crow with RE/MAX Alliance here in Northern Colorado.
I'm Cody Hain, also with RE/MAX Alliance.
Thanks for joining us today on our video walking tour of 3826 Big Dipper Drive in the Observatory Village neighborhood. Any questions, reach out to me using the information on screen, or reach out to Cody, also using the information on screen.
We are here to help.
Have a smashing day.